This is how to buy CELO from Binance to MetaMask. We're buying CELO because CELO is the native token for CELO network. We need to add CELO when I'm swapping from good dollar to CELO because of fee when you are using any wallet. To fund your CELO through Binance, this is where you buy crypto. You can also buy crypto on here tier. You can't get CELO here directly. This is one of my top recommended platforms to buy any crypto and send to your wallet. If you use the link below the description of this video to join and use this platform, you'll be given a gift of $3. Back to Binance. I already have a crypto which is BNB. I will swap this BNB crypto to CELO. So I will choose CELO. CELO. I have like almost $3, which is 3.5 CELO. I will swap it to CELO. You click preview, then convert. It's already converted. So I now have CELO that I can transfer to my MetaMask. So the next thing is to withdraw this CELO from Binance to MetaMask. You come to this place, you can click your dashboard, you can click overview. This is currently what I have, $2.87. So to withdraw your CELO, you click withdraw. Then you select CELO here. You can see this is CELO. This is where you drop the destination address. You come back to MetaMask to pick the CELO address or MetaMask for all the token under this network. This is the address, so you copy this address. You go back to Binance, you input the address. It has auto detect it as CELO network. You leave it as CELO network. Maximum amount, that is, you are sending the whole amount to MetaMask. So you click withdraw. You double confirm again that you are sending to the right wallet. You look at your address, you pick from the destination wallet, which is in this case MetaMask. You click continue. So you need 2 authentication. After the authentication, the token will be withdrawn. You can see I've successfully bought CELO from Binance, and you can see the amount has changed, and I have enough money to take fee for CELO whenever I do any transaction on CELO network. So this is how to buy CELO from Binance to MetaMask.